A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, open your English textbook, page number 25. Yes, children, in the last class, we have just discussed the warm up activity. Yes, children, so in today's class, we are going to learn a poem that is The Star. So, children, the title of this poem is The Star, which is written by Jane Taylor. Yes, children, so who writes poem for us? A poet. So the poet of this poem, a beautiful poem, is Jane Taylor. Yes, so children, the name of this poem is The Star. Yes, children, so that you have enjoyed the rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in class first, maybe in LKG, UKG, yes. But did you know that the rhyme is a part of a longer poem? Okay, so what you have learned in your previous class, it is just a part of a longer poem. Okay, so it is a very beautiful poem, no children? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yes, so let's read and enjoy the whole poem about a beautiful twinkling star. So children, as we all know that what is meant by twinkle? Twinkle means shine as if flashing on and off very quickly. Yes, flashing off and on very quickly like twinkle. Okay, so it's called twinkle. So now let's read the poem. Okay, children, so I will read this poem. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, sing with me. Okay, children, so here let's read this poem. This time you also sing with me. Okay, so here see. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. He could not see which way to go if you did not twinkle so. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep. For you've never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. And your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark. Though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. So children, see how beautiful it is, isn't it? So now see here, let's discuss the first stanza of this poem. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So children, as we all know, twinkle means shine as if flashing on and off very quickly. Yes, so little star. So children, in the first stanza, how the little stars are twinkling in the sky. Yes, so children, so what is meant by twinkle? Twinkle means shine as if flashing on and off very quickly. So how the little stars are twinkling in the sky? Yes, so wondering means what, children? Here the child is, here the poet is telling. Here, see, look at this picture first, children. Yes, so the child is watching the stars, yes, through his window, and he is wondering. Wondering means want to know something about. You might be surprised of that things that you don't about that thing. Yes, children, so wondering means want to know something about, means surprise. Okay, like in simple words we can say surprise. Yes, so want to know about something. Okay, here the poet is want to know about stars, want to know more about stars. Okay, so here you might be surprised of that things that you don't about that thing. Yes, you are wonder what it is, maybe what are the stars, how they appear. Yes, there are so many questions you are wondering to know about stars. So children, here the poet is also also wonder to know more about the stars. Okay, so here the poet is telling, oh twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, how I know you better. Yes, means I want to know about something, I want to know more about a star. Yes children, so the how the little stars are twinkling, the little stars are twinkling in the sky. Yes, so wondering means want to know something about. So the stars are, where are the stars? The stars are up above the world so high. Yes, the stars, the little stars are twinkling up above the world so high and like a diamond in the sky. How they are twinkling? Yes, the little stars are twinkling like a diamond. Yes children, तो अब बच्चों आपने डायमंड देखा होगा वो किस तरह से चमकता है. यस, एक डायमंड की चमक तो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. यस, तो जो छोटे छोटे जो स्टार्स हम देखते हैं आसमान में वो भी हमें एक डायमंड की तरह ही दिखाई देते हैं. यस चिल्ड्रन, क्या आपको एक कुछ तो बड़े एक बॉल की तरह दिखाई देते हैं? नो, इट्स लुक लाइक अ डायमंड. यस, द स्टार्स लुक लाइक अ डायमंड इन द स्काई. Isn't it children? So here the poet is telling, oh twinkle twinkle little star, you are so high above the sky. Yes, oh twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, how I want to know about you. So but you are up above the world so high and you are shining like a diamond in the sky. Yes, like a diamond in the sky. So the twinkle, the little stars are looking like a diamond in the sky. Yes children, so the sky is very high. Yes, we can't reach. Yes, so children, here the poet is telling, the little stars are like a twinkling and they are in the up above the world so high and they are twinkling like a diamond in the sky. यस चिल्ड्रन, जब हम आसमान में देखते हैं जो छोटे छोटे स्टार्स को कितने ज़्यादा क्या होते हैं, चमकते हैं. यस चिल्ड्रन, तो दे आर लुकिंग लाइक, दे लुक्स लाइक डायमंड्स इन द स्काई. यस, सो चिल्ड्रन, हमें वो एक डायमंड की तरह ही दिखाई देते हैं ना. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. यस, हमें ऐसे ही एक डायमंड जो आसमान में, जो स्काई में जो एक चमक रहा है, ऐसे ही हमें दिखाई देते हैं. यस, नाउ सी हियर, when the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, when you show your little light, twinkle twinkle all the night. So children, here the poet is telling, so when the blazing, so children, what is mean by blazing? Blazing means very hot. Okay, so blazing means very hot. So when the sun go away and comes during the morning. Yes, so when sun goes away, nothing shines upon the sky. So here the poet is telling that you show your little light during the night. Yes children, देखो जब सूरज यानी जब सन चला जाता है. Yes children, जब सन, अभी देखो सन कब आता है? सुबह में आता है. जब नाइट में जब सन होता है क्या? नहीं होता है. तब हमें रोशनी कौन दिखाते हैं? दैट लिटिल ट्विंकल ट्विंकल, दैट लिटिल स्टार्स क्या करते हैं? अपनी रोशनी से हमें रास्ता दिखाते हैं. यस, सो लेट्स इमेजिन इफ स्टार्स आर नॉट देयर, देन मीन्स, यस, जस्ट इमेजिन योर लाइफ विदाउट स्टार्स. यस, वी कांट इमेजिन योर लाइफ विदाउट स्टार्स बिकॉज एट नाइट वी कांट सी एनीथिंग इफ स्टार्स आर नॉट देयर. इजंट इट? अगर स्टार्स नहीं होंगे आसमान में, हमें तो रात में कुछ दिखाई देगा? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. सब कुछ क्या हो जाएगा? ब्लैक ब्लैक हो जाएगा. हमें कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई देगा अगर स्टार्स नहीं होंगे तो. यस चिल्ड्रन, देखो जब जब सन क्या करता है? सुबह में आता है. यस, जब शाम में जब सन चला जाता है तो हमें जो रास्ते पर जो लोग होते हैं उन्हें रास्ता कौन दिखाते हैं? जो ट्विंकल, जो लिटिल स्टार होते हैं, जो आसमान में एक डायमंड की तरह जो चमक रहे होते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? हमें एक पाथ दिखाते हैं. Yes children, so when the blazing sun is gone and when the nothing shines upon, there is nothing to shine upon in the sky, the little star came in the sky and they give their light. Yes children, so they show that path. Yes children, so they show that line, that path to the other people's. Yes, so children, twinkle twinkle all the night means they are twinkling in the sky all the night. तो बच्चों वो रात भर क्या करते हैं, डायमंड की तरह एक चमकते रहते हैं. कहाँ पे? इन द स्काई. एज चिल्ड्रन, सो द लिटिल ट्विंकल जो स्टार्स होते हैं, जो ट्विंकलिंग करते रहते हैं स्काई में, वो क्या करते हैं, पूरी रात हमें रोशनी देते हैं. एज जब सूरज यानी सन जब चला जाता है तो जो लिटिल स्टार होते हैं वही रात में आके इन द स्काई वहाँ पे ट्विंकल ट्विंकल मीन्स अपनी जो रोशनी है वो हमें, उससे हमें क्या करते हैं, हमें रोशनी दिखाते हैं. Yes, children. So when the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, then the little stars show the light. Yes, twinkle and they twinkle twinkle all the night. Yes, children. So in this class we have completed our 2 stanzas. Okay, the next 2 stanzas, 3 stanzas we will see in our next class. So children, what you have to do, you have to write at least 20 new words from this poem, and you have to write its meaning in both languages. Okay, so children, do this and send it to me. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.